How to reset your Verizon PIN, step-by-step guide.
Hey there! Welcome to this video guide on how to reset your Verizon PIN if you have lost or forgotten it. Forgetting your PIN can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help you through the process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to reset your Verizon PIN and regain access to your account. So, let's get started.
Verifying your account ownership.
The first step in resetting your Verizon PIN is to verify that you are the owner of the account. This ensures that your account remains secure and protects your personal information. To do this, you will need to provide some information to Verizon. Contact Verizon customer support through their designated helpline and inform them that you would like to reset your PIN.
Answering security questions.
Once you've reached Verizon customer support, they will guide you through the process of resetting your PIN. They may ask you some security questions to verify your identity and account ownership. These questions are typically based on information you provided when setting up your Verizon account. Answer the questions accurately to proceed to the next step.
Resetting your Verizon PIN.
After successfully answering the security questions, Verizon customer support will assist you in resetting your PIN. They may offer you a few options, such as setting a temporary PIN or providing you with instructions on how to create a new PIN. Follow their guidance and choose a PIN that is both secure and easy for you to remember.
Confirming PIN reset.
Once you have reset your PIN, it's essential to confirm that the changes have been made successfully. You can do this by logging into your Verizon account using your new PIN. If you can access your account without any issues, congratulations! You have successfully reset your Verizon PIN. That's it. You've reached the end of this guide on how to reset your Verizon PIN if you have lost or forgotten it. Remember, it's essential to keep your PIN secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you ever encounter any difficulties during the process or have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Verizon customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.